Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a bear. That's right, we're going to draw a cute bear. This bear will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the bear's head. Let's start with 2 semicircles for the bear's ears. We will draw a round circle to connect the 2 ears. Now we have our bear's head. Next, let's draw in the bear's body and work our way down to its feet. Here, we will draw in 2 semicircles for the bear's arms. What should our bear be holding? Let's draw in a cup. Feel free to change it up to a flower or a book if you like. Now, we can start on the bear's face. Let's draw 2 small circles on the bear's face. These will be the eyes. Now, let's draw a nose in between the 2 eyes. You can also change it up and make the nose really big or really small. Isn't it so cute already? Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. I will start by using pink to color in the bear's inner ear, mouth, and the cheeks. I'm also going to use the pink color for some paw prints. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Let's start by coloring in the cup. I think my bear is going to be having a honey drink. What will your bear be drinking? Maybe some hot cocoa. I'm leaving my bear white, but feel free to change up the bear's color. Maybe you can use your favorite color. Coloring can be so much fun. Lastly, I'm going to add in a hat for my bear. You can follow along or add other accessories for your bear. Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. Wow! Look at our amazing little bear friend. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as a blue sky with some fluffy clouds. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the little bear. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and try new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.